Hi everyone, welcome back to WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to enable screen sharing on Zoom. For that, open the Zoom application. Once you have been logged in into the account, you will be directed to the home page. There are a few ways how you can enable screen sharing on Zoom. For that, first of all, you have to join a meeting. Tap on new meeting and start a new meeting with the video on or by using your personal ID. Start meeting. Now, once the meeting starts, what you need to do for enabling screen sharing on the Zoom is you tap that. If you swipe right over here, you will see the more option. Tap that more. From there, you need to tap on security. Tap that. In the security, you will have the option of allow participant for, and inside there, there's share screen. You tap on the toggle enabling the share screening on Zoom meeting. You will be able to enable or disable this feature for participant on your Zoom meeting. Once enabled, participant will get the ability to share the screen on Zoom meeting of yours. So this is how you can enable screen sharing on Zoom. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you.